Good day to my future employees. My name is Rana Gampusilao, 24 years old, have two kids ages 3 and 1 year old. I live in Sitio Mamig, Barangay Lucatan, Cabancalan City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the 10th child of the family. Also, I finished my senior high school in Bantayan National High School, and I have an institute certificate in TESDA as a caregiver and healthcare. I have 2 years experience work here in the Philippines as a helper, and also I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and my main duty is taking care of the baby. I love to work in abroad because I want to earn more money to provide my family needs and also have a savings for my kids' future. To my future employees, please hire me as your helper because I am trustworthy, loyal, responsible woman, and I promise to serve your family as my own. I will finish my contract as long as you need me, I will stay. Thank you.